Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage your dashboard on SiteCliq Stores. This dashboard is important because it gives you a real-time overview of your entire store system, helping you monitor performance, track daily activity, and see exactly how your business is doing at a glance. Let's get started. Click the Dashboard button to view a preview of your store right within the platform. Once you're on the SiteCliq Preview dashboard, you'll see all your shop's details and the Login as Super Admin button. Click the Login as Super Admin button to open your store's main overview dashboard. Now that you're on the main dashboard, you can see a live summary of your entire store in one place. From here, you can view your current package and its expiry date. You'll also see the total number of admins registered to your store, along with your users, blogs, products, orders, sales, and completed commissions. Below, you'll see the order ID, the customer's email, and the total amount paid. You can also check the status to track the transaction, view the payment gateway used, and see the exact date the order was created. And that's a wrap on how to manage our dashboard. You've just learned how to manage your dashboard on the SiteCliq e-commerce store. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.